magta-travel kami papunta sa Cabo. So, nandito na kami sa International Airport sa YYC, Calgary. So, Sunday today. So, yung boarding time namin is 9:30. So, pagkatapos namin sa Starbucks, dito na lang kami umupo guys, maghihintay. So, because we are priority guys, punta na kami sa loob na plane. And this way, so we're waiting guys. So ito na yun guys, yung plane papunta sa ang lamig. It's so cold guys. So ito siya guys. Tingnan nyo sa labas guys, diba? Ito yung priority guys. Number 6 sa first seat guys. So ito yung guys. Ito yung priority. Ito yung labas guys. Diba? Nag-snow. So sobrang lamig guys as in. Yeah, guys. Ito na yung tinatawag na so, diba, yung palapad ng aeroplano nilagyan. So, iba yung color. Tapos na yung DIC. So, meron mga sa ito yung labas. So, yun yung sinakyan ng baggage claim namin sa kaya. Yung baggage namin na point. Pero first, naitala na kami yung declaration form. Yeah. So, ito siya guys. Hindi na siya pwedeng mag-video sa iba. Nandito na kami sa Cabo guys. Nandito na kami sa baggage claim area. So, yun yung southwest guys. Tingnan doon yung banda namin. So, at ito siya guys. Nandito yung guys. Yung transportation sa hotel. So, yung hotel namin is Marcos.
Nice to meet you, sir. My name is Rosario. Please, right?
Yeah. Still this. Yeah, still the same look. That's Starbucks stuff.
Yep.
So, guys, ito na yung hotel namin. So, this here. So, this is little gate. Nella. So, nagbulang ka. So, tapos na guys. Pili na kami pumasok. So, alright guys. Nandito na kami. So,
And welcome again.
look at that. Look at this view here. So, Los Cabos, Mexico. Check-in na kami sa Marcos Los Cabos. At I think we are going to Sawa. So, dito yung view guys. Sa highway pero sa Lasyon ko pakita ko mamaya guys. So, nag-check-in pa kami. Hindi pa kami punta sa room. Ito to. It's nice. Look at this. Look at that. Look at this view. So, look at this. So, small house.
Bienvenido. It's your first time here, Marquis?
Yes, it's first time, but
Alright.
here in Cabo.
So, very much.
Ito na yung room namin. Welcome to Marcos Los Cabos Hotel. So, first thing guys, ito yung makikita niyo. So, ito yung entrance at I don't know what's that, this cabinet. So, ito yung ano nila, yung mga plan evacuation plan. So, of course guys, meron silang hindi ko alam kung ano to, tiles or marbles. Then, tiles at saka ito yung pang coffee. So, meron silang mga sugar. Of course guys, dinala ko na lang yung margarita na welcome drinks nila. At saka ito yung water nila. So, pag nandito kayo sa Mexico, bawal talaga uminom ng tap water. So, ito yung mineral water at ito yung maliit na bar nila at yung free snack nila. Ito siya free snack. At dito nakalagay yung fridge nila na may free snacks. What more there? Merong M&M's. Gusto niya. And then, dito, let's see. Wala lang. Extra cabinet. Of course, ito yung luggage namin, guys. Ito, at hand carry. At ito yung bed nila. At ito yung temperature adjustment ng 20. So, diba? At saka, bed nila at Mexican style siya. At merong naka-ano, Marcos Los Cabos. So, hindi ko alam anong room to, guys. Kasi ocean view yung view namin. I mean, yung naka... Okay, so I think ocean view. So, of course, yung bed nila. So, ito yung king size. Same thing, dalawang light. At ito yung cabinet nila. So, of course, it's Mexican style. Look, Marcos Los Cabos. There, guys. And then the next one, let's see. Ito yun guys, another extra cabinet here. So, bali 5 days kami dito guys. Oh, meron silang mirror. Look at that. So, 5 days namin yun. So, I think yung hotel room is 1,000 plus US dollar. At ito naman siya guys. Look at that. At meron naka-ano ito Marcos spot. Ito yung set nila. At ito pa yung ibang drawer nila. At ito siya guys. First, tapos na tayo sa ating cabinet. So, ito siya. Tayo sa ano, ito yung ano nila, coffee table. At course, nandun na yung bag. At yung lock, yung ceiling nila. So, yung painting, Mexican. At of course, ito yung television nila. And then, yung maliit na table. So, of course, guys, ito yung view. Ito yung, I think, ocean view. So, ito siya. Guys, yung view. Ano siya? Noisy kasi highway siya. At dami nang aligo. At ito ay part din sa hotel. So, ito part sa hotel. At doon part sa hotel. So, sobrang ano siya, laki ng hotel resort nito. At ito yung pinakababaw ko nito. Ito yung view. So, ito yung terrace. So, of course, guys, ipapakita ko. Nakalimutan ko, ipapakita ko muna yung bathroom nila. So, punta tayo sa bathroom. So, ito na siya, guys. Yung malaking mirror nila. Of course, yung towel. At ito yung aim. So, wet water. Kasi bawal sa tap water. At ito yung like ba. I mean, kung dito ka, pwede kayo maligo dito. Yung tub. Look at that. At ito yung another towel nila. At ito yung hair dryer. So, at yung mirror. So, ito po. So, ito lang siya. And then, of course, ito yung Manila Marcos Los Cabos. And dito magsashower. At ito yung towel. So, Dito lang siya, guys. Meron silang shampoo, conditioner, relaxer. Ito lang siya at ito yung kalaro niya. So, ito na yung room tour natin, guys. So, ito ay day 1 namin kasi kakarating lang namin. Yeah, ganito lang laki. Another mirror here. Look at that. At saka connected lang siya sa bed. So, let's call it snapper. Snapper and potato. Good morning, Cabo San Lucas. Good morning. Ayan siya. Ito siya yung breakfast area. So, it's buffet. So, ba't kailangan nyo nang mag-book bago kayo pumunta kasi palaging siya dito yung around 8 AM at saka nun. Yung breakfast namin, guys. Today is Monday. So fruits po na yung kinukuha ko. So, buffet. And then, Mexican foods. Coffee shop nila sa market. Coffee time for like, oh my god, it's so hot. Look at this. Look at that. Look at this. So, maghintay na ako. At meron silang sunod ng tea. So, ito guys, yung locker room ko. So, magpa-facial spa. Nagbook ang asawa. Yung locker room. So, look at that. See? Ang ganda. Ito yung washroom. Look at that. And shower. See? And kailangan ko nang mag-change, guys. I think this is first time. So, first time to have a facial. So, I don't have any idea, but I'm excited.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Well,
So this one here.
yeah.
It's nice. Okay. Guys, facial spa. So just a regular facial spa. It's not a machine. So let's see, it's here. So ito yung locker room. Tapos na yung spa ko, guys. Ito lang ako. Papunta na ako sa namin sa pool. So, kasi nandun yung husband ko. So, ito yung spa. Receptionist. Thank you so much. You too. So, where I can go? So, kasi guys, hindi, first time ko guys. Nagpa-spa niya and then alone. So, it's here. Hello. Hi. I can just exit here. Thank you so much. Sorry, it's my first time. So, oh, thank you. So, ito siya guys. Yung view. Papunta na ako sa aking asawa. So,